Keep it 100, nigga, none of that's I got your bitch counting up the cheddar. Put 7 stitches on my motherfucking sweater.
Okay, you guys, so before we get started into making this dish for your mans or for whoever you please to make a dish for, we're just going to wash our hands for a good 20 seconds because we are in quarantine at this moment and we're just trying to stay safe from this, corona, making sure we're okay. So next, I'm just going to show you guys this organic salmon. When I tell you, you guys need to get this salmon organic. Go to your local fish market, get it. It's going to change your life, okay? Literally, it's gonna change your life. Next, of course, you have to clean the salmon. Clean that salmon really good from head to toe. Next, I'm going to marinate my salmon. So I'm using the Weber Just Add Juice packet, and it's the lemon pepper flavor. And I literally just added 4 lemons, and I squeezed it with my little lemon juicer tool, okay? Next, once you rinse off your salmon, you have to pat it dry. I don't want my salmon to be too wet, you know what I mean? So I just want it to be a little dry and not too wet before I put it into the marinade batter that I made. And you also want to put your salmon facing forward just so it can soak up all that juice so your fish can be tender the next day that you cook or whenever you want to cook the salmon. I like to marinate my salmon for a day because I like it tender and juicy. Right now I'm just cutting up my spinach because it was a little bit too big and I like them a little smaller. And now I'm going to be using whipping cream, heavy whipping cream at that. And I'm going to be using 1.5 cups for my pasta, okay? I'm going to be using minced garlic, okay? I have to put my seasoning all. If you don't have seasoning all in your pantry, baby, go get some. Next, I'm also going to put some onion powder in there. Sprinkle a little bit of onion powder, but not too much. Just sprinkle some. Next, I'm about to give you guys this ground black pepper. That's the main flavor that you want for your Alfredo sauce. I like a lot. As you can see, it's coming out. I like a lot of black pepper. It tastes so good. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of parsley because I'm a little bougie. You know what I'm saying? You got to add a little bit of parsley to that food. Make it look expensive while we're in this quarantine. I usually use 2, but I didn't want my pasta this time to be too cheesy. So I'm just going to mix in the Parmesan into my sauce, my homemade smacking sauce. And as you guys can see, your girl's whipping that pan up in that sauce. Then I just wanted to add some little spice. So I'm going to put some smoked paprika up in there. Not too much. Just add a little bit of flavor. You know what I'm saying? So that's pretty much all my ingredients. So now we're going to cook the salmon. So as you can see, you want that pan sizzling. I mean, you want it sizzling to where the oil is popping at you. And as you can see, I'm just going to sear the salmon for 2 minutes on each side before I put it in the oven. for it to bake, okay? And so this is how I like my salmon to look. This is how I want it to be. The skin is going to fall off, and I'm going to show you guys. So here I'm going to put my lemon on my foil, and I'm going to put my salmon facing forward. And I'm just showing you guys how I like it before I put it in the oven. You can see my boyfriend's hand. He's just trying to be sure that his skin will come off. So as you can see, I cooked the skin off so he can take it off. And then we're just going to wrap it up neatly, or however you like to wrap it up.
Okay.
And then you're just going to put it in the oven. You should put it at the bottom shelf or the bottom rack so it can cook faster. And then voila, baby, you're at the Roast Chris.